Good morning students. In this video I will solve the brain teasers chapter 5. So let us come and solve with me. The questions, tick the correct answer. A. 2.6% expressed as a decimal. To express it as decimal, at first we have to remove the percent. To remove the percent, we make the denominator 100. Now how to put the decimal? Now write the digits. Already after decimal there is one digit. Then how many zeros in denominator? There is 2 digits. So 2 zeros. So the after decimal कितना digits होगा ना? पहले से एक था और 2 3. How will you write? ना extreme route, count the digits from extreme right. Extreme right 6 2 or 0. So that is 3 digit after decimal. So the correct answer is 0.026. Now the next question. What percent is half dozen of one score? Half dozen means 6. किसका? ना 1 score का. परसेंट 25 sir. 100 so 6 5 ja 30%. Now the next question. CP equal to rupees 75, SP equal to rupees 100, then gain or loss percent is dash. SP is given rupees 100, CP rupees 75, SP is greater than CP, so gain equal to minus करे rupees 25. गेन परसेंट क्या होगा? इक्वल टू गेन बाय CP 75 इंटू 100. ये रुपीज कट जाएगा. 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. Now 100 by 3% equal to 33 whole 1/3%. The next question. Gain or loss percent is always calculated on dash. Always calculated on CP. Now next question. 33 whole 1/3% of 1 whole 1/2 minute is equal to dash. 33 whole 1/3% multiplied by 1 whole 1/2 minute. Okay, equal to 100 by 3. 33 multiplied by 3 99 plus 100 by 3. Then remove 100, that means denominator 100 multiplied by 2 1s. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3/2. मिनट को कन्वर्ट करें सेकंड में क्योंकि all the option has given in seconds. So 1 minute means 60 seconds. Now 100 3 3. All are divided by. Now next 2 divided by 2, 1. 60 divided by 2, 30. So correct option is 30 seconds. Now the next question, answer the following questions. What is the number which is 5% more than 600? किसका 5% ना 600 का. So the more number is 5% of 600 equal to 5 by 100 multiplied by 600 divided by 100 denominator and numerator 1 and denominator 1, denominator 1, numerator 6. So 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30. So the required number पहले कितना था 600, अभी 30 मोर हुआ इक्वल टू 630. Now the next question, find the simple interest on rupees 200 at 5% annum for 6 months. Simple interest SI equal to P, that means rupees 200, R means 5 by 100, T means 6 by 12. 6 2s are 12, 100 2s are 200, 2 equal to rupees 5. So the simple interest equal to rupees 5. Now the next question, if 140 is reduced to 112, what percent is the reduction? था कितना ना 140, हो कितना गया 112. सो रिडक्शन कितना हुआ, रिडक्शन इक्वल टू 140 माइनस 112. 8, 3 से 1 गया तो 2. सो रिडक्शन परसेंट कितना होगा, रिडक्शन बाय कितना में रिडक्शन है 140 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. 0 0 दैट मीन्स 10 से डिवाइड. 14 2s are 28 equal to 20%. Now the next question, what is 12% of 0.5 meter? 12% of 0.5 meter equal to 12 by 100, remove percent, into 5 meter, convert it into centimeter. 5 into 100, that is centimeter. 100 तो 12 multiplied by 5 equal to 60 centimeter. Now the next question, if CP equal to rupees 260, profit 60, find profit percent. To find out profit percent, we have to find out the CP. SP कितना है, रुपीज 260, प्रॉफिट रुपीज 60. CP माइनस करें तो 200. सो profit percent. Profit, that is 60 CP, 200 multiplied by 100. 100 2s are 200, 2 30s are 60, equal to 30%. Now the next question, find the value of 33 whole 1 by 3% of 9012. 33 whole, 33 plus 1, that means 100 by 3. Remove percent 100 of 9012. 100 divided by 100, that is 3 9s are 3 3s are 9, 0 0 3 4s are 12, equal to 3004. Now next question, 25% of 100% of 1 kg. 25%, 100, convert it into fraction. 10 by 100 multiplied by 1 kg means we can write it 1000 gram, equal to 1000, cut it down 100 and all the zeros divided, so the answer is 25 gram. Now the next question is, find 12 whole 1 by 2% less than 16 hours. लेस कितना है, लेस आवर्स, इक्वल टू 12 whole 1 by 2% ऑफ किसका ना 16 आवर्स, इक्वल टू 25 by 2 into 100 into 16 hours. 25 4s are 100, 4 6 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, equal to 2 hours. So less than 12 whole 1 by 2% of 16 hours, equal to 16 minus 2 hours, equal to 14 hours. Now the next question, John bought 100 eggs for ₹40. Out of these 4 eggs were found 4 egg क्या हो गया, were to be found to be broken and he sold remaining eggs at the rate of ₹7.50 per dozen. Find his gain or loss per. टोटल कितना एग्स था ना 100, CP of 100 eggs equal to ₹40. Remaining eggs 100 में से कितना टूट गया 4, सो 96 इक्वल टू 8 डजन, क्योंकि 1 डजन मीन्स 12, तो 96 डिवाइडेड बाय 12. नाउ SP इक्वल टू रुपीज, 1 डजन कितना में बेचे हैं ना 7.50 में। सो SP इक्वल टू रुपीज 7.5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 इक्वल टू रुपीज 60। क्या हुआ ना SP ग्रेटर देन CP, तो क्या ना गेन इक्वल टू कितना ना रुपीज 60 माइनस रुपीज 40 इक्वल टू रुपीज 20। सो गेन परसेंट इक्वल टू गेन परसेंट इक्वल टू गेन 20 and CP means 40 into 100. If we write here rupees, तो rupees cut 0 0 4 25 sir 100 equal to 50%. Now the next question, articles are bought at रुपीज़ 45 पर डजन। 1 डजन का जो CP है कितना है ना 45 एंड सोल्ड एट रुपीज़ 85 पर स्कोर। एक स्कोर के हिसाब से सोल्ड किए, सेलिंग किए, कितना है ना 85 पर स्कोर। फाइंड गेन और लॉस परसेंट। CP इक्वल टू कितना है ना रुपीज़ 45, कितने का है ना 12 का, 1 डजन का, तो 1 स्कोर का कितना होगा ना 12 का जो कॉस्ट है वो कितना है 45। एक का कॉस्ट कितना होगा डिवाइडेड बाय 12, फिर 20 का कॉस्ट कितना होगा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 20। 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 3 15s are 45 equal to rupees 15 5s are 75। SP कितना है ना रुपीज़ 85, तो SP ग्रेटर देन CP। गेन होगा, गेन कितना है ना रुपीज़ 85 माइनस रुपीज 75 रुपीज 10। गेन परसेंट इक्वल टू गेन that is rupees 10 by CP that is rupees 75 multiplied by 100। rupees cut 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100, that is 4 multiplied by 10, 40 by 3% equal to 13 whole 1 by 3%. Now the next question, Salim deposited rupees 12,000 in a finance company which pays 15% interest per year. Find the amount he is expected to get after 4 whole 1 by 2 years. P equal to here rupees 12,000, R equal to 15%, T equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 years equal to 9 by 2 years. SI equal to rupees 12,000 divided by 100 multiplied by R means 15 multiplied by T means 9 by 2, 0 0 2 60, then multiplied by 60 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 9. That means 60 multiplied by 15. 900 multiplied by 9 equal to rupees 9 9s are 8100. That means 8100 is the SI, simple interest. The amount he will get rupees 12,000 principal था plus rupees 8,100 SI, simple interest. 0 0 0 plus 1 1, 8 plus 2 10, 0 carry 1 1 and 1 2 equal to rupees 20,100. So the amount Ramlal bought oranges at rupees 30 per dozen. He had to sell them at a loss of 5%. Find the selling price. Loss इक्वल टू 100 में लॉस कितना हुआ ना 5, 1 में लॉस कितना होगा ना 100, 30 में लॉस कितना होगा ना मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. 0 0 5 2 जा 10 इक्वल टू 3/2 रुपीज. SP इक्वल टू रुपीज 30 माइनस 3/2 इक्वल टू 2 और 1 का एलसीएम 2, 30 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 60 माइनस 3 ऑल केसेस रुपीज इक्वल टू 57 रुपीज 57/2 इक्वल टू रुपीज 28.50. Now the next question. Out of 1200 people, 800 only know English, 50 know only Punjabi and rest know both languages. Find the percent of people who know only English. कितना इंग्लिश जानता है ना 800 कितने में से ना 1200 में से. So the percentage 800 by 1200 multiplied by 100. 100 100 4 3s are 4 2s are, that is 200 by 3% equal to 66 whole 2/3%. Now the next question. People who know both English and Punjabi. People who know English 800 and people who know Punjabi 50. तो 1200 minus 850 इक्वल टू 350. क्या करते हैं ना बोथ लैंग्वेज जानते हैं. तो परसेंटेज क्या होगा ना 350 कितने में से ना 1200 में से मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 100. 100 से डिवाइड करें. नेक्स्ट 2 से डिवाइड करें. 2 6 2 1 2 7 2 5. दैट मीन्स 175/6% इक्वल टू कितना होगा 29 whole 1/6%. Now the next question. Prabal deposited rupees 5,000 in a bank which pays him 5 whole 1/2% interest after 3 years. He withdraws the money and buys an Almirah for rupees 4,700. How much money is left with him? P equal to rupees 5,000 R equal to 5 whole 1/2% equal to 11/2%. T equal to 3 years. SI equal to rupees 5,000 divided by 100 multiplied by 11/2 multiplied by 3, that means PRT by 100 equal to rupees 100 से डिवाइड करें, नेक्स्ट 2 से डिवाइड करें 25, तो रुपीज़ 25 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 3 equal to rupees 825. A equal to amount equal to rupees 5,000 plus rupees 825 equal to rupees 5,825. Cost of Almirah equal to rupees 4,700. अमाउंट कितना था ना 5,825. So money left equal to rupees 5,825 minus rupees 4,700. 5 से 0 गया तो 5, 2 minus 0 2, 8 minus 7 1, 5 minus 4 1, that is rupees 1,125. Now the next question, find the simple interest on rupees 6,500 at 8% from 5th January 2015 to 19th January 2015. P equal to rupees 6,500, R equal to 8%, T equal to January 31 minus 5 26 days, फरवरी नॉन लीप ईयर तो फरवरी 28 days and March 19, total 73 days equal to 73 divided by 365 years. SI equal to rupees 6,500 by 100 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 73 by 365, that is PRT by 100. 100 से डिवाइड किए, 73 5 सर 365, 5 13 sir 65, that means rupees 13 multiplied by 8 equal to 104.